Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop people from finding your account on Discord using your phone number or email. If you want more privacy and don't want others to discover your account easily, this setting will help you. So let's get started. First, open Discord on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now tap on Content and Social. Scroll down to the Discovery section. Here, you will see options for phone number and email. Turn off both of these options. This will stop Discord from using your phone number and email to help others find your account. After turning these off, your account will be more private and harder to discover. So this is how you can stop people from finding you on Discord. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.